How long do you think humans have been making New Year's resolutions? Would you guess 4,000 years? Yep, the ancient Babylonians were actually the first to make New Year's resolutions and set goals. But I'm wondering, would they have been more successful if they had access to AI? Today, we still set goals for the new year. But how many times have you abandoned your New Year's resolutions by mid-January? What if this year were different? What if you had an AI-powered personal assistant, coach, and cheerleader to actually help you achieve your goals? Or if ChatGPT could predict obstacles that might keep you from sticking to your resolutions? I'm talking next level goal setting powered by AI. These are AI life hacks that you won't find anywhere else, so pay attention. Hack number 1 is automating your goals for maximum follow-through. You can automate weekly goal reminders using free versions of Zapier, Notion, and ChatGPT, so you never lose momentum again. Check out my YouTube video, AI Tools for Achieving Your Goals in 2025, for step-by-step instructions on how to do this. Now let's pivot to something unexpected. Hack number 2, AI stories. What if your 2024 goals weren't tasks, but stories? Here's how it works. Imagine you want to run a marathon. Instead of writing run 26.2 miles in your planner, which, let's be honest, sounds terrifying, use AI to write a detailed story about your future self already achieving that goal. This does 2 things. 1, it turns your brain into your biggest cheerleader. Research shows that visualizing success makes you 23% more likely to achieve it. And 2, it keeps you emotionally invested. Because who doesn't want to live out their own hero's journey? You can take this a step further by using AI as your virtual coach. Think custom training plans. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to generate personalized weekly running schedules. Input your fitness level, time availability, and milestones, and let the AI map out your workouts for you. You can then pair this with an AI app like AI Runner to really crush your fitness goals. AI accountability bots. Maybe storytelling isn't your style. How about an AI accountability bot instead? Meet your AI accountability partner. Replica or Character AI can act as AI friends who check in on you daily. They ask about your progress and hold you accountable for sticking to your plan. Both of these platforms let you create custom AI companions or coaches. But fair warning, the characters are more like video games versus real-life human instructors, at least in terms of appearance. Quick tip. As you build your AI accountability bot, be sure to set personality traits like make the character persistent, supportive, and motivational. Give the AI example responses like, good morning, ready to crush your goals today? Or how was your run? Any wins to celebrate? Both Replica and Character AI cost money if you're using them for daily check-ins like this. For Replica, the base plan will cost you $20 per month, or $10 per month for the premium plan on Character AI. If one of your goals this year is to finally learn AI, whether it's to save time, boost creativity, or just impress your coworkers, then make sure to subscribe. I've got big plans for this channel in 2025, and I want you to be there. Vision boards with a twist. Let's get visual. You've heard of vision boards, right? In the past, creating a vision board meant cutting out catalog clippings to better visualize your hopes and dreams. But instead of cutting out magazine pictures, what if you generated your dream life in seconds using AI? Using tools like Ideogram or Midjourney, you can create stunning visualizations of your goals, your dream home, that dream vacation, or even your ideal morning routine. Visualizing your goals through methods like vision boards or AI-generated images can significantly boost your ability to achieve them. This practice leverages the brain's neural mechanisms to improve motivation, focus, and performance. It's why visualization is one of the most used methods by elite athletes. It works. Once you've created your AI vision board using a text-to-image generator, use a free AI design tool like Canva to bring it all together. Then print it out or use it as your phone wallpaper. AI can even animate it so you see movement, like the ocean waves of your future beach house. For animation, I'd use a tool like Runway ML or Sora. Use ChatGPT to predict obstacles that might keep you from sticking to your resolutions. For example, ask it to predict potential roadblocks based on your goals, such as time management for fitness or budgeting for savings. Large language models like ChatGPT can also provide personalized advice. They can create step-by-step action plans and even send you daily motivational tips or reminders to keep you on track. Create a custom soundtrack for success. This is a fun one. AI tools like SoundDraw.io or Suno Music can create custom soundtracks tailored to your resolutions. Fun fact, music composed specifically for your goals can trigger motivation through audio stimulation. This can help trick your brain so that you're actually excited to work out or sit down for that daily focus time. Personalized AI Mentor Network. You can use AI to simulate conversations with historical figures or famous mentors tailored to your specific goals. For example, Aristotle for wisdom, Steve Jobs for improving your digital marketing. Ask AI Socrates for advice on discipline, or AI Elon Musk for startup strategies. Instead of reading self-help books, you can talk directly to AI versions of your heroes. This is a game changer when it comes to self-motivating. I've actually created custom GPTs just for this purpose. Okay, one last tip before we wrap up. Write a letter to your future self. You've definitely heard of that before, write a letter to your future self, but now you're gonna use AI to really help drive it home. Tell AI your goals and let it craft a letter from your future self thanking you for sticking with them. Print it, seal it, open it next December. You'll be amazed. In fact, if you've been regularly using a large language model like ChatGPT, it probably already knows quite a bit about you. Here's why it works. It taps into mental time travel. Yep. When you imagine your future self, your brain activates the prefrontal cortex, the same area responsible for planning and decision-making. This process, often called mental time travel, helps you form a clearer vision of your future and improves follow-through on goals. Really, AI enhances this process because AI-generated letters can feel more vivid and optimistic by adding creative insights and actionable steps based on what you tell the AI. Give it a try. I promise you won't be disappointed. So there you have it. An AI-powered plan to keep you organized, motivated, and actually hitting your goals this year. If you found any of this useful, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.